Hello friends, today we are learn about .NET. According to Microsoft, there is no full form of .NET. .NET is a software or product which can be used to develop various kind of applications. If you want to develop any application, you can develop using .NET. When we are talking about application is divided into various categories. The category is desktop application, web application, mobile application. In older programming language, there is some drawback. To develop desktop application, we can use the languages like C, C++, VB.NET, but there is some drawback while we are working with web application. We can use the different languages to develop web application like PHP, Java, C Sharp, Node. Using this technology, we can develop web application. The mobile application introduced in market after Java. And now I am give the brief discussion about .NET framework history. .NET Framework first version introduced in market 13 Feb 2002 with new features like new WinForms, ADO.NET, and ASP.NET. Second version of .NET Framework introduced with minor changes in 24 April 2003. In that there is no major change in mentioned. Next version of .NET Framework 2.0 introduced in 7 November 2005. 7 November 2005 with new version 2.0. No change. The next version of .NET Framework introduced in 6 November 2006 with Windows Communication Foundation, Windows Presentation Foundation, and Windows Form and Card Space features. Next version of .NET Framework is introduced in 19 November 2007 with major release. It's provide language integrated query support. Using LINQ, you can write query in object-oriented programming language. Also support extensible markup language format, and also the major change like support Ajax call. Ajax is a asynchronous JavaScript X object, REST API, and RSS. Next version of .NET Framework is introduced in 18 November 2008. It's 3.5. In that, they introduce new features like MVC framework, entity framework, link you to entity framework, and also support cloud computing. The next version .NET 4.0 is introduced in 12 April 2010 with parallel computing, dynamic, and etc. The next version of .NET Framework is introduced in 15 August 2012 with features of Windows Store, portable classes, libraries, HTML5 support, and recently the new version of .NET Framework is 4.8. In this section, we are learn about history of .NET Framework, and next section we are learn about what is the difference between C Sharp and .NET Framework and the components of .NET Framework. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.